Creating passive income streams is one of the smartest ways to achieve financial freedom. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn while focusing on other priorities. Here's how to build 5 effective streams to secure your financial future. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a classic way to generate passive income. How it works: companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. Why it's passive: once you invest, dividends are paid automatically into your account. Getting started: choose reliable, dividend-paying companies or ETFs. Reinvest your dividends to compound your wealth. Platforms like Vanguard or Robinhood make it easy to start with as little as $100. 2. Rental properties. Real estate can be an excellent source of passive income if managed wisely. How it works: buy property and rent it out to tenants for monthly income. Why it's passive: hire a property manager to handle day-to-day tasks like repairs and tenant issues. Getting started: begin with a single-family home or a duplex in research areas with high rental demand. Real estate crowdfunding platforms, like Fundrise, offer ways to invest with less upfront capital. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending lets you earn interest by lending money to borrowers through online platforms. How it works: platforms like Lending Club or Prosper connect lenders with individuals or businesses. Why it's passive: after your initial investment, you receive regular interest payments. Getting started: invest small amounts in multiple loans to diversify your risk. While returns can vary, they're often higher than traditional savings accounts. 4. Digital products. Creating digital assets like ebooks, courses, or templates can generate ongoing income. How it works: build a product once and sell it repeatedly online. Why it's passive: after the initial setup, sales and distribution are automated. Getting started: use platforms like Amazon for ebooks or Teachable for courses. Identify a skill or knowledge area you're passionate about and create a product people will value. 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services online through affiliate marketing. How it works: share referral links on blogs, YouTube, or social media. Earn a percentage of every sale made through your links. Why it's passive: content like blogs or videos can continue generating income long after they're published. Getting started: join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Focus on products that align with your niche or audience for maximum success. Tips for success: 1. Start small. Choose 1 or 2 streams to focus on initially. 2. Reinvest earnings. Use passive income to build or expand other streams. 3. Stay consistent. Regular contributions and updates ensure steady growth. 4. Be patient. Most streams require time and effort upfront before they become truly passive. Building passive income streams requires dedication at the start, but the rewards are worth it. By investing wisely in dividend stocks, rental properties, P2P lending, digital products, and affiliate marketing, you can create multiple income sources that work for you. Start small, stay committed, and watch your financial freedom grow.